Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create web 2Ks in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we need just to go to the setup page of our organization or our Salesforce and basically click on this icon here and you will see the setup menu. Go to setup and there you will need just to search for the web 2Ks. So here we type web and from here we will find the service which is the web 2Ks and we click on it and basically we will find our web 2Ks. So here you will need first of all to enable it so you can start working with it and you can require a captcha if you would like, and those are some case origin. So here I'm just going to save web 2Ks and now you will be able to start creating them. And now we can go to the web2case HTML generator so we can create a web2case or so we can generate one. So here we have the contact name, email, and this is the form selected. You can choose also the order, and basically now you give it a URL that will be returned to, and then you can add you can exclude captcha if you want, and now I'm going to generate. So basically those are just the inputs for the capture case, and we click on finished, and now we have our web2 case that has been created. And basically, all you need is just to copy paste the code provided from the generator. So here you will need just to have this copy pasted, and now you have your own web 2 case that has been created successfully. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.